Welcome to our industry-leading barcode inventory system for all types of organizations. Inventory management is crucial for businesses of all sizes, ensuring smooth operations and meeting customer demands. But what exactly are the different types of inventory? Inventory management entails a variety of goods, materials, and services categorized into distinct classifications for effective organization. Today, I will be walking you through the 4 major traditional types of inventory. These encompass raw materials and components, work in progress, finished goods, and maintenance, repair, and operating supplies. Raw materials serve as the foundational elements for production, in that they are the materials a company uses to create and finish products. Work in progress includes items in various stages of production, including raw materials, labor, and packing materials. Next, finished goods are items that are ready for sale after the culmination of production efforts. Additionally, maintenance, repair, and operating inventory are the items used to facilitate ongoing business operations. While traditional perspectives emphasize 4 primary types, our system subsets inventory into 5 main categories, including standard, serialized, serialized with quantity, batch/lot inventory, and non-inventory items. To learn more about these specific inventory types, watch our previous video linked below. Understanding and effectively managing these core inventory types are crucial for streamlined business operations and meeting customer demands. To learn more about how you can improve your organization's efficiency with our inventory management software, visit our website with the links below and schedule a demo today at barcloud.com.